Okay, during this video, we're going to discuss Rinkware's Web Content Manager, which is basically an online tool that gives Rink operators and managers the ability to maintain their website in real time without any knowledge of HTML or any kind of web programming skills. It also eliminates the need for a webmaster to eventually get around to getting something done. So you're in charge, and here's how you get going. From your web settings page, or section of the menu here, is where you control what pages are seen on your website and which ones aren't. You can also rename your pages. The mandatory pages for Rinkware are the home page, is the page where everybody lands when they first get to your website. The sessions times page, so the customers can find out when you're open. Party information page, big important page, has to be there. And then the contact us page, so your customers can call you to ask additional questions in case you miss something on the website. You have the option to include 4 additional custom pages. You can name them whatever you like. In our case, we named them special events, Christian nights, fundraisers, and skateboards. We could, of course, turn these on and off by just simply choosing the hidden button or the visible button as to what pages actually show on our website. Once you're done with that portion, just click save and it's done. Social media is really big in today's society, and we incorporated that into Rinkware. If you use social media, you can turn it on. If you don't use social media, you can turn it off. But we are supporting Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, and YouTube as far as their social media tools are concerned, and it's really easy to set up. All you got to do is basically copy the link to your Facebook page in and push visible on the radio button, and you're showing Facebook plugins. You also can change your Google Map, add a map to your website so that your customers can find their way to your rink without a bunch of frustration and getting lost. And you can also add online party bookings, but that's a whole different animal, and we're going to talk about that in a different video here shortly. The final portion of the settings page here is where you adjust the color and the layout of your website. You can choose one of a couple of templates we've already designed, and we're constantly designing more. And you can also choose from one of many color schemes, such as our 80 neon or our Christmas schemes, or if you don't like any of those, you can customize it and just make whatever colors you want them to be by choosing from the palettes below and then clicking and saving changes. We're not going to save any changes now because we kind of like the way things look as they are. Now you can customize what images show at the top of your page for your rink. We're using Skate Town's logo for this demo, but all you have to do is just simply choose a file. Just click choose file and upload a file of your own or one that you downloaded and use that as your header for your rink. Same thing for the map image. Basically upload a stock image or customize an image and upload it, and you've got a map image. Now here's a cool feature of Rinkware, which is basically our content slideshow. It's 6 slides that rotate, and they link to pages on your website. It's very useful in promoting things like fundraisers or a blackout skate for special events, or if you sell skateboards, birthday parties, and whatever you want to link your pages to. So basically all you'd have to do is just click on the image here, and you're ready to edit it. You choose a different file. If you want a different image, you just click choose file, and you can choose from any one of the files that you have saved or that you're downloaded or wherever you got your images at, and just choose that image, click it, and boom, and upload it. And then choose what page you want it to associate with. Of course, this is a fundraiser page, so we want it to be associated with our fundraiser page. Now moving over to the right on the Web Content Manager menu, you can manage each page and what's on each page. For example, our home page. The home page just has a basic little demo thing that we threw in there for our purposes of the demo, but you can go in there and edit this simply by clicking edit and then changing the content up. Not a demo anymore, it's real. Or you want to change the font up and delete it all, whatever you want to do. You can change everything up and just make it your own. Change font sizes, font colors by choosing from the palettes again, and it's all done. And then simply when you're satisfied with the changes, just click, update page content. Now going on to our sessions page, this is where you enter when you're open, so that people know when you're open, so they can come skating and spend money at your rink. We're going to go ahead and add a session here. Let's just add a Wednesday night session, or let's do a Thursday session since we don't have one in there. We're going to be open Thursday night from 7 until 9. And it's going to be $8. And if we wanted to give a special title to the page, we can, or we can leave it blank. In this case, we're just going to leave it at Thursday night session. And bingo, it was saved. And here it is, it appears now. And it'll appear on our rink when I show you the preview here in just a second. You can do rink rules here if you want to, ban short shorts or skimpy clothing, no hats, no baggy pants. This is where you can put it all right here. Just simply edit your rink rules and make whatever changes you want to make in reference to that. No baggy pants. And save the changes, and it'll appear on your website right below your sessions. Let's do a special event here and then show a picture upload here. This is one that we've already done. I'm going to delete it so we can do it again just to kind of show you on how to insert a picture into one of these special content containers here. So we're going to call this New Year's Eve Skate. It's already there. And this is another neat feature about Rinkware is you can turn the display modes on and off by basically choosing when they display. For example, this is a New Year's Eve skate coming up at the end of the year. We want it to start displaying immediately because we're already in December at this point, and we want it to show until January 1st. After that, it doesn't really need to show anymore. And why don't we just go ahead and select an image from our group of images we already prepped for this, and here we go. We're going to choose a New Year's image. Rinkware automatically uploads it and it displays there, and then you can take and go below it and type in whatever you want to, New Year's skates from 7 p.m. until 2 a.m. and let's just kind of customize that font a little bit. We want to make it big, and let's choose a color that's somewhat close to what the color of the image is. So we'll save that, and that's how it's going to appear. So if we were to go to the Rink website, which I guess we can go ahead and go now, there's a preview button here that shows you what your site will look like when it goes live, so that you can kind of double check everything before you put it out there. And here's what we just created on the special events page. Kind of bare bones. You can get as creative, put as much or as little content as you want to in there for each one of your special events. Remember earlier when we did the sessions times? Well, here it is right now. It's showing today's session time right here, and if they want more times, they can click there, and it gives them an itemized list of all your times as to when they're open. And there's that rink rules that we messed with earlier in reference to adding no baggy pants. You can also get the session times by clicking it from the navigation menu there too. These are the slideshows I was talking about earlier, and if you click on any one of those slides at the right time, then it'll take you to the appropriate page, fundraiser page. Okay, we have an internet information for our fundraisers page, and we're not going to get to that in this video because it's getting a little long, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you the basic bare bones control that you have with Rinkware, and it's a good product. You'll be surprised. All of our customers seem to love it. It's really simple. You're in real-time control of your website with no effort, and your customers will love it.